Come test drive the 2010 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, cargo area light. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.